Hello Miss, thank you for time given to me. I will present my assessment about a business plan. But before that, I will introduce myself. My name is Ayu Ilunanggi and my business plan is Free Rice. Executive summary. This free rice business is a food business in the form of free rice and complete with eggs, chicken, carbs, and eat some chills. Business description. 1. Vision. To become a culinary company that is able to compete and penetrate the market by providing the best quality and facilities for consumers. Mission. Using quality ingredients and profits help to providing the best service for consumers. 3. Develop innovation in products and service. 4. Using women resources who are skilled and have high loyalty. Principal member, owner Ayu Ilunanggi. Legal structure. Free Rice is a sole proprietorship. Market research. Product and price. The product being sold is rice with us rice as the main ingredient and is complemented by eggs, chickens, truckers, and chills as a complement to the delicious tasty. The price for the product is 10,000 rupiahs. Location. The location for selling this product is in Naimata. The location is strategic because it is close to many boarding houses and also close to housing. Target market. The target market is children, young, adults, and the elderly. Company advantage. The advantage of free rice is using good rice with clean cooking oil and adding flavoring and some complementary side dish, and the place is clean and comfortable. Marketing and promotion strategies. To market my product, I use several ways: posting product on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and TikTok. Growth strategy. As a new business, I have a strategy that every purchase of free rice, I will get free iced tea for 1 month of sale. SWOT analysis. When straight, affordable capital, what selling, affordable prices, is to get. Weakness, less promotion, and many competitors selling the same product. Opportunity, loss of funds, strategy place, and can open branches in various places. Third, money competitors, easy worried. And this financial information plan. Thank you, Miss.